If you want to save time and speed up your Tinkercad workflow, learning how to duplicate objects is one of the most useful skills you can pick up. In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate objects in Tinkercad using a few simple methods, including duplicate and repeat, copy and paste, alt-drag, and the duplicate menu. These tools are perfect when you want to build faster, keep your designs consistent, and create multiple versions of the same shape without starting over every time. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Tinkercad guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's look at the fastest and most powerful method, which is duplicate and repeat. To do this, select the object you want to duplicate, then press Ctrl D on Windows or Command D on Mac. Tinkercad will instantly create a copy of the object in the exact same position as the original. Now here's the really useful part. If you move, rotate, or scale that duplicate, and then press Ctrl D again, Tinkercad will repeat that last action. That means you can quickly create evenly spaced copies or build patterns without manually repeating the same steps over and over. For example, if you move a duplicated shape to the right and press Ctrl D again, Tinkercad will place the next copy the same distance away again. This is incredibly helpful for rows, grids, and repeated design elements. Next, let's go over the classic copy and paste method. Select the object, press Ctrl+C to copy it, and then press Ctrl+V to paste it onto the workplane. This is a very familiar method if you've used other software before, and it works great when you want a simple duplicate without repeating the last transformation. After pasting, you can move the new object wherever you want. It's straightforward, reliable, and easy to remember. Now, let's move on to one of the quickest methods for fast duplication, which is alt-drag. Hold down the Alt key on Windows or Option on Mac, then click and drag the object. As you drag, Tinkercad creates a duplicate automatically, so you can place the copy exactly where you want it in one smooth motion. This is a great method when you want to work quickly and visually arrange objects on the workplane without breaking your flow. It feels very natural once you get used to it, and for many users, it becomes the go-to shortcut. Finally, there's the duplicate menu option. If you look at the top left toolbar, you'll see the duplicate and repeat icon, which looks like two overlapping squares. Click that icon while your object is selected, and Tinkercad will duplicate the shape for you. This is especially useful if you don't want to rely on keyboard shortcuts, or if you just prefer using the on-screen tools. It does the same basic job and can be a nice option for beginners who are still learning the interface. So to quickly recap, use Ctrl+D or Command+D for duplicate and repeat, use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V for copy and paste, hold Alt or Option and drag for instant duplication, or click the duplicate and repeat icon in the toolbar. Each method has its own advantage, and once you know them, you can choose the one that fits your workflow best. If you're building anything in Tinkercad, from simple practice shapes to more advanced models, these duplication tools will save you a ton of time and make your designs much easier to manage. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Tinkercad tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.